What if democracy could be experienced rather than simply studied from a textbook? Our class 8 students got the opportunity to experience the process of democratic participation through a classroom activity on Universal Adult Franchisee. Universal Adult Franchisee means that every adult citizen has the right to vote, irrespective of their caste, religion, gender, language, or economic status. In India, citizens who are 18 years and above have the right to vote, subject to the legal requirements for being a voter. But how does voting actually work? To understand this, our students recreated a simple election process inside the classroom. They learned about the importance of the ballot and voting process and the responsibility that comes with choosing a representative. One by one, students participated in the activity and cast their votes. This simple classroom experience helped them understand an important principle of democracy. Every eligible citizen gets one vote and every vote has equal value. The activity was not just about putting a vote into a ballot box. It was about understanding equality, participation, choice, and responsibility. Through learning by doing, our students were able to connect the concept in their textbook with the democratic process we see in real life. Universal Adult Franchisee gives citizens the power to participate in choosing their representatives. And that is what makes democracy truly meaningful, because in a democracy, every citizen matters. Every vote counts and every voice has value. A wonderful learning experience by our class 8 students. Learning democracy by experiencing democracy.